My name is Tomasz Kaczewski. I run IGBive, a buff resurfacing company, and the purpose of this video is actually to show you a little bit of a quality that I do for bathtub resurfacing. This is the bathtub I just finished. It's the last bathtub I'm doing this year, as I'm going on holidays tomorrow. You can see how smooth the bath is, how shiny it is. This is a cast iron, a beautiful freestanding bathtub, a little bit unusual, very wide, not too long. Quite a big job as that has been previously coated, so I had to strip it, prep it and then resurface it, while most of the jobs normally are not previously resurfaced. So that extended the time. It's now about 3 o'clock, so maybe the light is not the best, but hopefully you can see of what I'm doing and how I do it. Okay, now the best. Since this year I've started using a Hawk Research Labs. Here it is. So that's the company that provides me with the materials. It also have the unique technology called Sterlion. You can find a little bit more about it on my website, that is igbive.org.uk. But what it is in general, it's an antimicrobial additive to the top coat that is helping to keep your surface free from bacteria and other microorganisms. What I have is just a confirmation that this has been applied. It's a little laser pen that when you point onto the surface, it should hopefully illuminate from the short distance. Well, the best is to keep it the proper way to the bathtub. I don't know what you can see, but I can see a little bit of a green light. Not much, but enough to be sure that the silver additive is applied and the bath have that extra protection on it. So anyway, again, this is the end result of my one-day bathtub resurfacing, including stripping the old coatings, masking the entire bathroom, prepping the surface properly, applying several coatings and polishing it in the end. Hope you enjoy it. I wish you a very good Christmas and a Happy New Year. All the best.